Hi guys, I'm going to report about Taal Volcano. Taal Volcano is a large caldera fueled by Taal Lake on Luzon Island in the Philippines. And it is in the province of Batangas. Taal Volcano is second most active volcano in the Philippines. So guys, we will find out what are the bad effects and the good effects of these volcanic eruptions. So guys, stay tuned and let's find out.
Volcanic lightning is electrical discharge caused by a volcanic eruption. Studying lightning generated during volcanic eruption has its obvious dangers. But even if the eruptions can be observed from safe vantage point, getting a look at lightning strikes within the plume can be a challenge. Even it is dangerous, this somehow can be a good look from the sky. Ashfall. Impact of ashfall on health, business, and infrastructure. Volcanic ash is abrasive, making it an irritant to eyes and lungs. Ashfall can cause minor to major damage to vehicles and buildings, contaminate water supplies, disrupt of sewage and electrical systems, and damage or kill vegetables. Agriculture fishery. The fishery sector is now considered the most affected with estimated losses amounting to 1.6 billion. Highly valued crops like coffee, cacao, and fruits such as pineapples as well as vegetables, rice, and coconut were among the most damaged goods. This caused by the Taal volcanic eruptions ash falls. It's business as usual in Tagaytay, they say, but with the ashfall from Taal volcano comes the closure of some businesses. The famous people parks in the sky and picnic grove are currently closed for cleaning. The economic impact of Taal eruptions to the Batangueños is assessed using the wide 70-kilometer radius. Foregone profits will climb to 6.658 billion, with nearly half from agriculture and fisheries. Some Filipinos turns volcanoes ash plastic trash into bricks in Binyan, Philippines. It's an inventive response to persistent problems of pollutions and natural disasters. Environment officials combined it with sand and cement. Our fellow men are known to offer helping hand during times of crisis. It was not surprising to discover many good Samaritan stories in the midst of ashfall, fall, and mud. Trained by annual calamities brought about by the extreme weather, Pinoy mobilizes to donate and volunteer and organize. Filipinos are practicing bayanihan to help each other out of Taal volcano, cites, and rumbles. Remember, in the midst of calamity,